Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on UMA. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that UMA broke out a very big falling wedge pattern, and after that, it was testing a quite long-term support zone, and this was my last video, by the way. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after testing this quite long-term support zone, by the way, this support zone starts from $3.93 and goes to $4.20, and now you can see that the price line has geared up, and now it is struggling to break out the next quite long-term resistance of $5.50. By the way, this level has been previously working as a support here, and now you can see that it is trying to break out this resistance, the same support as a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for UMA that I shared, by the way, in the previous month of Feb 2024 on 17th of Feb 2024. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardley pattern that UMA formed with US dollar pair on a daily time frame chart. You can see it was just entered the buying zone, and this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range, and the sell target zone, and the stop loss was below $3.93. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then dropped down and entered the buying zone and here. And then we had a very nice reversal and read the sell target zone here. And then it moved down again, slightly down than this potential reversal zone, but they covered back very soon. And beyond this sell target zone, and this was almost 33% pump. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that UMA formed on a 2-hour time frame chart. And I shared this idea on 27th of January 2027, and this move was formed with Bitcoin pair. This was the complete trade setup, the buying range, and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. First, it again entered the buying zone, and then we had the next reversal. You can see it entered the buying zone, and then we had a nice pump, and this was almost 12% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of UMA, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, and in fact years, since after the month of October 2020, you can see it was moving inside this very, very huge falling wedge pattern. And while moving inside this wedge, we broke down a very significant support zone that starts from $9 and goes to $7.80. You can see for several weeks it has been working as a support zone here. Then we had a nice pump. Here it again worked as a nice support. We had another nice pump. We had another short pump here. And since it has broken it down, you can see it is flipped into a very strong resistance. We got stable ejections here. Then we had a big drop. And recently you can see that after this pump, we had a long spike up to this resistance zone, but the price could not break it out. It got rejected, and now after testing this support zone that I was showing you, that is starting from $3.93 and goes to $4.20, and the pricing is now geared up, and now it is trying to break out this resistance. This is not that much powerful resistance like we will have next here. This resistance is at $5.50 that had been previously breaking as a support here, and now it is breaking as a resistance. And this is the second week that the price is struggling to break it out. So far from this low to this high, you can see that UMA has pumped almost 466%, but still not able to break out this resistance. This will be the key resistance on in order to continue this rally to the upside. Therefore, we will still need to break out this resistance on. And the final target, by the way, for this huge breakout from this wedge pattern is here at the top of this wedge. That is between $45 to $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.